Hi everyone, welcome to Code with Kaustubh. My name is Kaustubh and I am computer science student currently learning data structure and algorithm. This channel is all about sharing my learning journey with you, and I will be solving coding problems from the platform like Leetcode and Codeforces and explaining each solution step by step in the simplest way possible. So in today's video I am going to solve a problem FizzBuzz which is on the platform Leetcode, and the problem number is 412. So moving to the question, we are given an integer and when we have to return a string array answer. So these are the conditions for the question. If my I is divisible by 3 and 5 both, in that case I have to return FizzBuzz. If my I is divisible by 3, in that case I have to return Fizz. And if my I is divisible by 5, in that case I have to return Buzz. But if none of the above conditions are true, in that case I have to return I in the form of string. So let's take an example of number 15. 15 is divisible by both 3 and 5. In that case I have to return FizzBuzz. But let's take an example of number 7. 7 is not either divisible by 3 or 5. In that case I have to return 7 in the form of string. So moving to the solution, first of all we'll include vector string and give it name as answer. So proceeding with the for loop for integer I is equal to 1 to I less than equal to and I plus plus. If my I is divisible by 3 and if my I is divisible by 5, in that case I will push back in answer FizzBuzz. If my I is divisible by 3, in that case I will push back in answer Fizz. And if my I is divisible by 5, I divisible by 5, in that case I will push back Buzz. But if none of the above conditions are true, then I have to return I in the form of string. So to convert integer to string, I will use to_string STL function, which will convert my integer I to string I. So I am using to_string function, which will convert integer to string. Okay, so let's return the answer. Let's try to run the code. And submit it. So the overall space complexity and time complexity for this code will be big O n. So that's it for today. Thank you. Bye bye.